Deep cleaning a washing machine is crucial to maintain its hygiene, prevent odors, improve its performance, and extend its lifespan. With every wash cycle, your washing machine rinses away dirt, grime, and detergent. That dirt has to go somewhere, right? If you don't clean your washing machine regularly, all of that grime can build up inside the machine, as well as mildew. Yep, mildew. A clean wash basket eye. The metal basket in which you put the clothes could be sparkling, but it's the inside plastic tub that collects the dirt and is out of sight. If you could see it, you likely would get a shock if you never cleaned the machine before, or after a long time. Inner washing machine components accumulate dirt due to a few key factors: residue from detergents and fabric softeners, buildup of limescale in areas with hard water, and the collection of lint and other debris in the filter and door gasket. Overusing detergents or fabric softeners can lead to oily residue that traps dirt, while hard water mineral deposits, limescale, can reduce efficiency and create a breeding ground for bacteria. Additionally, the filter and door gasket can trap lint, small objects, and moisture, leading to mold and odor buildup. Washing machine cleaning tablets can be considered a waste of money because they often don't offer a significant benefit over simpler, more affordable cleaning methods like baking soda and vinegar, and their effectiveness can be inconsistent. Some users find them ineffective or find that the cleaning results don't justify the cost. Baking soda and white vinegar can be used to clean washing machines, tackling odors, residues, and even some mold, and are significantly cheaper than cleaning tablets. Some users praise the effectiveness of washing machine cleaning tablets, while others find them ineffective or a waste of money. While some tablets may remove surface dirt and some odors, they may not address more severe issues like mineral buildup or deep cleaning. To achieve a deep clean, it is essential to remove and clean components such as the agitator in top-load machines, filter screens, and possibly the drum. In some cases, certain parts may need to be taken out or loosened to reach inaccessible areas. If dealing with complicated problems or if disassembling makes you uneasy, seeking assistance from a professional appliance repair service is recommended. Consistent deep cleaning plays a crucial role in preventing the accumulation of odors, mineral deposits and allergens, which can impact the quality of laundry and the lifespan of the machine.